Alright, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace your trunk lift supports. This is for a 2008 Mitsubishi Lancer and pretty much any vehicle, to be honest. So the first step, all you got to do is just pry away the retaining clip. That's right here. It's little kind of like circle looking clip. So with the flathead, you just want to pry it out of there and then just pull away. As you can see right here, it's pretty easy. And same thing for the bottom one. It'll be the same steps for the right lift support. Now it's time to install the new lift supports. I got this from Amazon. If you guys want to pick up the same ones, I'm gonna go ahead and put the link down in the description. All right, now let's get to it. Okay, I'm gonna do the driver's side or the left side first. And this is how it's gonna go. So put the top one first. The bottom one.